SCHEPPACH from Germany, and it's a BTS700 belt and disc sander. Oh, it's pretty quiet. I thought it'd be a lot noisier than that. I think you could see from the dog's reaction. It's not loud. It's actually got closer. But this one is fixed, and then the table moves with the little release lever there. This one does the same. There's a couple of little knobs on the sides. And you can move the table. You've got this little piece as well. So I think you just loosen off, and then you can bring pieces into the sanding disc. That's quite nicely made. Costs about £120, but you can get cheaper ones, but I think this is more, probably got more or different features. Round the back, which is that plastic piece I had to screw on with the 3 screws, that is the dust extractor, so I think you can get a hoover on there if you wanted to. I guess this is just the intake, I guess. The buttons are all decent. With the little covers as well, if you've got greasy hands and whatnot. Everything seems quite well made. I guess this you can just tear that off when you need to do the belt change, I guess. There's a tensioner. Obviously, when you put things back, you need to make sure the belt can still pass. Otherwise, these bits are going to get trashed. I think it warns that in the paperwork. Same with the metal tables. Obviously, you have to be fully aware that everything is close to the metal work. There's a belt tensioner on the back. I won't change it, but it clicks. You can wind it up and wind it down. I'm not going to do a belt change until I have to actually do one. But I've got little plasticky rubbery feet. That doesn't move. That's pretty easy. I don't think you're going to need to clamp it down particularly, but they have got bolt holes if you want to. I don't know. I don't know that it'd be something that would be out permanently with me. So I might not. But they've got the little angles on the side table on this sander. So when you loosen it, you can get an angle if you need to. Oh, it looks pretty tidy. I like it. So it doesn't come with any spare belts or any spare discs. So you'd have to get them on top if you were planning on doing something straight away after, if you were going to buy one. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.